Alright, this is Saturday the 4th of March 2023 and we are down here as a family where Stephen parks his flatbed trailer, and this is all somebody's trash. Look at all these tires. This is all somebody's trash that Stephen's trying to clean up from people just dumping. There's another tire down there. What? Are you gonna tell him? I can't believe it. Stephen's giving AJ a driving lesson?
There you go. Now roll up. That's the brake. That's how you stop.
Oh, this is not a good time for a driving lesson.
Roll up to that tire. See that tire?
Stephen?
Stay on the road. Stay on the road. This way. There you go. Now roll forward.
Stephen!
Keep rolling. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Did AJ just drive? AJ just drove the truck!
Put it back in park. Yes.
You want him to put that thing in park?
Roll forward.
Oh!
Roll forward. Stop. Put it in the park.
Put it in park. You just drove! AJ just drove the pickup! Wow, I wasn't expecting that! I guess
you wouldn't do anything. Just one tire over there.
What do you mean I wasn't doing anything? I can't believe your dad gave you a driving lesson on YouTube. Ooh, look at the rod of that.
Yeah, this one probably has a dead animal in it.
Oh.
They had it wrapped up in a plastic bag.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Take it up to Willie's shop. Take it up to Willie's shop so I can get it empty.
Oh, okay. All right. Is AJ going to stay here with you?
No, you're going to take it with you. Take it up to the shop. You'll see the blue dumpster and back up to the dumpster.
Okay.